Exercise 3.1 Algebra. First problem, third subdivision. That is, solve the following system of linear equations. So, in this first problem, third subdivision we are going to see. Solve the following system of linear equations means, what is the system? We need to check. That is, we need to find it out x, y and z value. So, in this case, how we are going to project it? Here x plus 20 they have given equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus within bracket y plus z. So first we need to do with this equation and with this equation. X plus 20 equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. So what we need to do? We need to multiply this 2 into x plus 20, then this 2 into 10. So in this case, how we are going to do? 2 into x plus 20 equal to 3y plus 2 into 10, 20. 2 multiply by 10, 20. So now how we are going to do? 2 multiplied by x is what? 2 multiplied by x, 2x. Then next, 2 into 20, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 0, 0. The next, 3y plus 20. The next case is, what we are going to do? 2x plus 3y, if it comes in left side, what it will come? Minus 3y. 20 plus 40, if it comes in right side, what the value will be differing? Minus 40. Plus 40, if it comes in right side, it is minus 40. So 2x minus 3y equal to 20 minus 40 is how much? 20 minus 40, that is minus 40 plus 20. Plus into minus is what? Minus. So we need to subtract the value. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. So the highest digit sign is what? The highest digit sign is minus, because 40 is the highest digit value. So minus 20. This is the first equation. The next, second equation. This value with this value. 2 is a plus 5 equal to 110, or else we can do this one. First and second we did. Second and third we can do. 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2 is a plus 5. So we need to multiply 2 into 10. This 2 also we need to multiply it here. 3y plus 2 into 10, 20. 2 into 2 is at 2 multiplied by 2 is at plus 5. 3y plus 20 equal to 2 into 2 is at 4 is at 2 into 5, 2 multiplied by 5 is how much? 10. So next thing is, how we are going to do? The variables we need to differentiate in the left side. Numbers we can do it in the right side. So 3y minus 4 is equal to 10 plus 20, if it comes in right side, minus 20. 3y minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 20 is how much? Minus 20 plus 10. So plus into minus is what? Minus. So we need to subtract the value. 0 minus 0, 2 minus 1, 1. So the highest digit sign is what? The highest digit sign is minus, because 20 is the highest digit value. So minus. So minus n. This is second equation. So now, next process is, what we can do? First and second we did. Second and third we did. The next third and fourth we need to do. So how? 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus of y plus z. So how we are going to do this one? 2z plus 5 equal to same 110, you can write it here. Minus into plus y is how much? Minus into y? Minus y. Minus into z? Minus z. So now, next process is, how we are going to do this? Variables, we can put it in left side. 2z minus y plus y. Minus z if it comes in left side, plus z. 110 plus 5 if it comes in right side, minus 5. 2z plus z is how much? 3z plus y equal to 105. So this is the 110 minus 5 is how much? 0. If we cut, 10 will come. So 10 minus 5? 5. The next one. This one 9 will come. Sorry. 0 will come. So 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 0. So this is what? 105. The next thing is, here we need to find out the x value, y value and z value. So second equation and third equation. Equation 2 and 3. How we are going to do? Equation 3. So 3z plus y. This is third equation. 3z plus y equal to 105. Second equation is 3y minus 4z. See here, 3y minus 4z is there. So we need to write it, these variables and numbers in the proper order. So here 3z is there. So due to that only we are mentioning in the straight line that minus 4z equal to how much? Minus 10. So in this case, how we can find out the values? Either it is a z value or y value, we need to find it out. So how we need to find it out? 3 into, if we have put which value, any number should be get cancelled. ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு number வந்து cancel ஆகணும். Either it is a z or y. Any one variable, it needs to be get cancelled. So in this case, how we can do? Okay, here 3y. Here if we need, if the 3y needs to come means, what we need to do? 3 multiplied by 3. So this is the third equation. Third equation, how we need to do? 3 into 3 is how much? 9 is that. 3 into y is how much? 3y. 3 into 105 is how much? 5 3s are 15, balance 1. 3 into 0, 5 3s are 15. 5, balance 1. 3 into 0, 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 into 1, 3. So 315. Fourth equation, that is second equation, we no need to multiply it because same as it is we can do it. So here, as per the algebraic method, the minus should be converted as plus. Plus should be converted as minus. Here minus should be converted as plus. So plus 3y and minus 3y cancelled. 9z plus 4z is how much? 13z. 310 plus 315 plus 10, 325. So now, how we are going to find out the value of z? Z equal to 325 divided by 13. So how we are going to find 325 divided by 13? 113 is 30. 2 13s are how much? 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. So 32 minus 26 is how much? 32 minus 26. 32, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. Here 2. So 2 is 2 minus 2, 0. This 5. We need to do it like this. So in 13 table, 65 will become at which number? 1 13 is 13. 2 13s are 26. 3 13s are 39. 4 13s are 52. So 5 13s. 5 into 3, 15. Balance 1. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1. So 65 minus. So Z value is how much? 25. Z is 25. Now, next we need to find out the x value and y value. So, Z is there. So, if we substitute in third equation or second equation, we can find out the y value. So, next we can take any equation also. So, I will take this as third equation. Substitute Z equal to 25 in equation 3. Equation 3 is what? 3z plus y equal to 105. 3 into z is how much? 25. 3 into 25 is 75 equal to 105. So y equal to how much? 105 plus 75. If it comes in right side means what it will come? Minus 75. So y equal to 105 minus 75 is how? 5 minus 5? 0. This is 10. 10 minus 7? 3. So 30 is the answer. The next one. Finally we need to find it out, x value. So x value, where we can able to find it out? This first equation. Substitute y equal to 30 in equation 1. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. This is the first equation. So in this, what we need to do? Y equal to 30, we need to find 2x minus 3 into y is how much? 30. 2x minus 3 into 30 is 3 3s are 9. 3 into 0, 0. 2x equal to minus 20. Minus 90, if it move to right side means what it will come? Plus 90. 90 minus 20 is how much? 90 minus 20 is 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. So how we are going to find out the x value? X equal to 70 divided by 2. X equal to, if you divide by 70 divided by 2, 35 will come. How? 70 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. This is rough column. 7 minus 6, 1. Now next one is 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 10, 0. So the result is x equal to 35, y equal to 30, z equal to 25. So this is the answer. That's all about this problem.